Why all cheetahs are nearly genetic clones. The perilous legacy of a genetic bottleneck. The price of Speed the cheetah. Nature's speed demon, a perfectly evolved hunting machine. But behind the sleek exterior lies a hidden vulnerability, a severe lack of genetic diversity. In fact, all cheetahs are so genetically similar that they are often described as being nearly clones of one another. Today, we're exploring the fascinating and somewhat alarming story of the cheetah's genetic bottleneck, uncovering the reasons why they are so genetically similar and the consequences of this lack of diversity for their long-term survival. The bottleneck event, a brush with extinction. The cheetah's genetic uniformity is a legacy of a severe population crash that occurred approximately 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, likely during the last ice age. This event, known as a genetic bottleneck, dramatically reduced the number of cheetahs, leaving only a small handful of individuals to rebuild the population. The result was a significant loss of genetic diversity, as the new population was derived from a very limited gene pool Signs of inbreeding. The weakened species, the lack of genetic diversity has had a number of negative consequences for cheetah populations. They exhibit high rates of abnormal sperm, reduced fertility, and increased susceptibility. Here, fertility to disease. They also show a greater prevalence of physical abnormalities, such as kinked tails and heart defects. These are all signs of inbreeding, a consequence of the reduced gene pool. Disease vulnerability, a single threat for all. One of the greatest threats posed by the cheetah's lack of genetic diversity is their increased vulnerability to disease. Because they are so genetically similar, cheetahs lack the diverse immune responses that would allow them to resist a wide range of pathogens. A single disease outbreak can, therefore, sweep through the population, causing widespread mortality. A large amount of species can be destroyed if we aren't safe. Limited adaptability. A changing world. The cheetah's lack of genetic diversity also limits their ability to adapt to changing environmental conditions. As the African savanna faces increasing threats from climate change, habitat loss, and human development, cheetahs may struggle to evolve and adapt to these new challenges. Their limited gene pool simply doesn't provide the raw material for rapid adaptation. Can humanity fix this? Conservation challenges. A difficult task, the cheetah's genetic uniformity presents significant challenges for conservation efforts. Simply protecting their habitat is not enough. Conservationists must also address the underlying genetic vulnerability. Captive breeding programs can help to increase population numbers, but they can also exacerbate the problem of inbreeding if not carefully managed. Genetic management strategies, such as translocating cheetahs between isolated populations, may help to increase genetic diversity, but these interventions are complex and carry their own risks. The importance of habitat connectivity. Expanding the gene pool, one of the most important steps in addressing the cheetah's genetic vulnerability is to maintain and restore habitat connectivity, allowing them to move freely and breed with individuals from different populations. This can help to increase genetic diversity and reduce the risk of inbreeding. Wildlife corridors, protected areas, and community-based conservation programs are all essential tools for promoting connectivity. Call for action. Supporting cheetah conservation, the cheetah's story is a cautionary tale, a reminder of the importance of genetic diversity and the devastating consequences of population bottlenecks in bottlenecks. But it is also a story of hope, a testament to the dedication and perseverance of conservationists who are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent animals. By supporting their efforts, we can help ensure that the cheetah's legacy of speed and grace continues to inspire awe for generations to come. We all can help today. The future of the cheetah. A race against time, the future of the cheetah remains uncertain. A race against time to overcome the genetic challenges they face and secure their place on the African savanna. The stakes are high, but the rewards are even greater. A world where these magnificent animals continue to roam free, a testament to the power of conservation and the enduring spirit of life on Earth. Fu